Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I explain to you how to create a shortcut on the desktop to turn off monitor in Windows. If the turn off display option is missing on your computer, you can now create and configure the power button to turn off the screen with very simple steps. And to create it, right-click an empty area of the desktop. And from the menu, select New, then from the submenu, click on Shortcut. This will open the Create Shortcut wizard window. Here write the command responsible for turn off monitor. Copy the command and paste it in the location area, and I will leave it to you in the description of the video. After copying the command, paste it into the location area field. Then, click on the next button to continue with the rest of the steps. In this step, you will be asked to type a meaningful name for this shortcut. I will write turn off monitor and click on the finish button. And you will find that the shortcut was created immediately. The next step is to change the shortcut icon, so right-click on the shortcut, and from the menu click on Properties. In the Properties window, click the Change Icon button. And you may not find many icons available to choose from. So copy this path that appears in front of you on the screen, and paste it in the Look for Icon field, and I will leave you the path in the description of the video. After pasting the path, you will see many available icons. Choose what suits you from these icons. And then click the OK button. And click on Apply and OK, and it will change the shortcut icon. Now, double-click on new shortcut we just created on the desktop, and it will instantly turn off the screen without putting the computer to sleep. And if you move the mouse or click on the keyboard, your screen will instantly turn on again. Lastly, I'm going to create keyboard shortcuts to turn off the screen instead of double-clicking the shortcut every time you want to turn it on. Right-click on the shortcut and from the menu, select Properties. Then click the shortcut key text field and click on the buttons that you want to create the shortcut with, for example, the Control button and the F12 button, for example. And then anytime you want to run the shortcut, press Control button and the F12 button from the keyboard. And the command will work immediately. Turn off monitor. And just move the mouse or pressing any button on the keyboard, the screen will immediately turn on again. I hope the steps are easy and simple for users. I hope the video is useful to you. And thank you for watching. And I also hope that you will subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.